In this video, I'll show you how to create a sales invoice. But before we get started, there are a couple of steps you need to take. First, make sure to add your products to the Products service in the Warehouse and Goods menu. This will allow you to select them when issuing invoices. Then, go to the Settings menu, and in the Tax service, add the types and rates of taxes in your country to Finty. Now, let's start issuing an invoice. To do this, click on the New button. The date will be selected automatically, but if it isn't, make sure to choose the correct date. Next, select your customer's name from this list. If the customer hasn't been added to Finty yet, you can use the Add button to create a new customer. This action will not only add the customer to the software, but also select them for the invoice. For better organization, you can add notes in the description. The invoice number will be generated automatically. Then, add the products or services provided to the invoice. From here, select the product you want. As mentioned earlier, you must have already added your products to Finty for them to appear in this list. Although you can add new products using the Add icon, I don't recommend it, as it can be time-consuming if you need to add products every time you issue an invoice. Let's select one of the products. As you can see, all the fields are automatically filled in. Gray fields are non-editable, but you can modify other options. For instance, while the purchase price is fixed, you can adjust the sales price, quantity, or even add a discount. You can also change the salesperson's name, and Finty will calculate the profit automatically. Finally, select the tax. You can apply different tax rates to various products and services. Adding a service works the same way. Select your desired service from the list. Or if it's not there, use the Add icon to add it to the software and also the invoice simultaneously. Here, just keep in mind that fields marked with a red line are mandatory in every part of Finty. If they're left blank, the Save button won't work. Afterward, you can either save the invoice and record the payment later using the Direct Payment option. Or, if the payment has already been made, select this option and save it directly in Finty. This way, the payment will also be recorded. You can print the invoice for your customer by using the icon in the Invoice Number column. Customers can also scan the QR code on the invoice to view it online. If you add more products or services to the invoice later, they'll be notified about the updates. If your store or repair shop has specific policies regarding sales, purchases, repairs, etc., you can add them in the Profile section under the Users menu. These policies will be displayed on the invoice for your customers to see. Lastly, you can filter results and export them to Excel to get the data you need. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.